Hi, I'm Landon, and I'm an ArcticFx ambassador, and today we're going to wrap Son's 2018 Yamaha Snow Scoot. Just like that, we're now ready to put the stickers on. So you can actually start pretty much anywhere you want. I usually like to start on the hood, and with the biggest piece on the hood, to use that as a baseline to align all the other pieces of the wrap as you go. I found the first piece of the wrap. These pieces of wrap are a little bit different than traditional vinyl. These pieces can be stuck on and pulled off multiple times. There's actually some channeling built into the adhesive on the back that allow you to do that. And until you actually heat it at the end, which I'll show you, the actual adhesive isn't fully set, which allows you to move them and shift them around a little bit more in case you don't get it exactly aligned like you'd like. So let's move into putting this on. Line this up and find kind of where it belongs. And I like to just do a light fitment, and I usually go on one of the ends to get it to line up and pull it back up, stick it in the center, and then use your fingers or the squeegee tool that's in the kit to get it to lay down nicely and make sure there aren't any bubbles. And just like that, you got your first piece of the wrap on. So we're going to keep grabbing pieces and parts of this wrap and keep moving forward. All right, now we're moving to the hood here. This is a little bit more of a complicated piece. I'm going to use the top edge to kind of set the angle that I'm looking for. Adjust it, make sure it fits how I want it to. Pull it back up and just press in the center, because that's where I want to start from. And then I'm going to start working it all the way up and see if that's where I want to fit. It's very nice that you can pull these stickers on and off, because if you do get it in the spot you don't want it and you want to move it, it's very simple. Now I'm going to actually use this additional tool that comes. It's another type of squeegee, and that's because this has got a sharp edge to press in. You can see just like that, getting it pressed in, making sure it sits nice. I'm going to press it around this corner. We're going to work the edge down, making sure there isn't any bubbles, and back up nice and softly on the edge, just like that. On to the next piece. Now I'm going to go over and just check for any bubbles, and I'm actually going to heat up this sled and get it all set. We put a full wrap on this Yamaha Snow Scoot and transformed its look. I hope you liked this video. Drop a comment, drop a like. Please let us know if you have any feedback. Look forward to seeing you soon.